Good morning, 8th class student. Myself, S.P. Kelkar, math teacher from Dan Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 6, factorization of algebraic expression. Now, factors of a quadratic trinomial. In this sixth chapter, we see the factors of the quadratic trinomial. Quadratic, those algebraic expression having a degree 2, that algebraic expression is called quadratic, and trinomials means in this expression there are three terms. See the example x square plus 9x plus 20. In this example, the degree of this expression is algebraic expression is 2 and having three terms. Now the coefficient of first term is 1, coefficient of middle term is 9 and constant term is 20. For finding the factors of this trinomial, you must firstly factorize the constant term. If coefficient of square term is not 1, then you must first multiply this coefficient to the constant term and then that product number is find the factors pairs. See here the coefficient of square term is 1, so find the factors of this 20. The factors of 20s are 1 into 20, 2 into 10, 4 into 5, minus 1 into minus 20 is also the factor of 20. See, the product of these two factors is the constant term, and if we take sum or subtraction, then we get a middle term coefficient. Here middle term coefficient is 9. Now sum of these two is 21. That is not a proper factor pairs of this for this equation. 2 plus 10 12, 4 plus 5 9. See these pairs. 4 into 5 20 and 4 plus 5 we get here 9. Now this number is also product of this 2 is plus 20, but minus 4 minus 5 we get minus 9. So we want plus 9 here. So we take this pair 4 into 5. Then write down here x square as it is. Then split up this 9 into two terms, 4x plus 4x, then plus 5y, plus 4x plus 5x plus 20. Now take common from these two is x into in bracket x plus 4 bracket close, plus from these two we take a common 5. 20 means 5 into 4. Then we take a 5 common, 5 into in bracket x plus 4 bracket close. Now see these two brackets are same. We take one of the bracket common, that is the x plus 4 in one bracket and second bracket x plus 5. In this way we find the factors of the two factors of the quadratic trinomial. तर क्वाड्रेटिक ट्रायनॉमियलचे फॅक्टर पाडत असताना वर्गपदाचा सहगुणक जर एक असेल तर फक्त स्थिर पदाचेच अवयव या ठिकाणी असे दोन अवयव शोधायचे की ज्यांचा गुणाकार स्थिर पद आणि बेरीज वजाबाकी केली तर मध्यपदाचा सहगुणक मिळायला पाहिजे. जर वर्गपदाचा सहगुणक एक नसेल तर त्या सहगुणकाने या स्थिर पदाला गुणायचं आणि आलेल्या गुणाकाराचे दोन अवयव शोधायचे. मग तर या ठिकाणी पुन्हा आपण दुसरं उदाहरण पाहूया. Now see the example second, p square minus 2p minus 35. Now factorize this minus 35 again, means in this factor one factor is always negative and other factor is always positive. Product of these two number is constant term minus 35. In this factorization, see the 20 positive number, means both are having positive or both are having negative, means if two factors are negative then product is plus, but here constant term is negative, so one of the factor is negative and other is the positive. See the this two factors, minus 7 into 5 35, also 7 into minus 5 again minus 35, but we want to hear the sum or minus is minus 2, means coefficient of middle term is minus 2. Now if we take a subtraction of this 2, minus 7 plus 5 we get minus 2, but if we take subtraction of this 2 we get plus 2. So middle term indicate that the minus sign goes to the greater factor. If middle term coefficient is negative, then take a minus sign for the bigger factor or greater factor. Now we take these two factors of this 35, minus 7 into 5, here write down p square minus 7p plus 5p minus 35 as it is. Now take common from this 2, p in bracket p minus 7. Now from this 2 we take number 5, from this 35 we take common 5, and from this we take 5 into in bracket p minus 7. Now these two brackets are same, we take one of the bracket common, p minus 5 in one bracket, second bracket remaining terms p plus 5. In this way we complete this second example. See the example third, 2x square plus x minus 45. Now coefficient of square term is 2, so product of these 2 and constant term is minus 90. Then find the factors of this minus 90. Those factors are useful for this example. Then see here, 2 into minus 45 is minus 90. Then we want to middle term coefficient is 1. So we take again another pair, that's minus 90 is nothing but minus 9 into 10. See the middle term is positive coefficient, so take the positive for the greatest factor 10 and take a minus sign for a smaller factor of these two pair of factors. Then write down 2x square as it is, means first term as it is, then split up this into minus 9x plus 10x and minus 45 as it is. Then take common from this 2. We take again x common here, x into in bracket 2x minus 9 bracket close, plus from this 2 we take common, from this 10 we take 5 common, from this 45 also we take 5 common, then plus 5 into in bracket 2x minus 9. See the 5 into 2x plus 10x, 5 into minus 9 minus 45, means if we take product of these two we get again these two terms. Now these brackets are same, then we take one bracket common, 2x minus 9 in one bracket, second bracket x plus 5. In this way we can complete this third example also. Then we see the fourth example, that is the 20x square minus 26x plus 8. Now again here coefficient of square term is 20 and constant term is 8. So take the product of these two. We get here product of these two equal to 160. Now in this example, see 20, 26, 8. We can take 2 common from these 3 terms. Then write down here 2 into in bracket square bracket 10x square 30 minus 13x plus 4 and square bracket complete. We can take a number common from this quadratic trinomial and then factorize the remaining quadratic trinomial. See, the coefficient of square term is 10. 10 into 4 we get here 40. Then find the factors of 40. 4 into 10. See here the coefficient of middle term is minus 13. So take a number and constant term is positive. So the both numbers may negative or may positive. One of the factor is not negative, so both are positive or both are negative. Then we take a product is 40. See the here 40 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. And make some group here. See this 3 to 2 we take here at the 2 into 2 into 2 means 8, 8 into 5 we get a 40, but we want to negative 13. So sum of these two is plus 13. So we take both are having negative. So minus 8 minus 5 is the good pair of factors. Then sum of these two is we get here minus 13. Then we take here 10x square as it is first term. Then minus 8x minus 5x, split up the middle term and 4 as it is. Then take common from these two, that is the 2x in bracket 5x minus 4 bracket close minus from these two we are not able to take any number common. Then we take one number, that is the 1 minus 1 into in bracket 5x minus 4. Because of this minus sign, change this sign, minus 4 bracket close, and write down all the terms in the square bracket. 2 into in square bracket. Now take common from this 2 bracket 5x minus 4 in one bracket and second bracket 2x minus 1 means other remaining terms. In this way we find out the 3 factors, that is the first factor we find out here. Then other 2 factors are find out here. 2 into in one bracket 5x minus 4, second bracket 2x minus 1. In this way we find out the 3 factors of this quadratic trinomial. Then you can solve the example from exercise 6.1. Good day, goodbye, okay.